But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster.
Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi dengan Pak Pop dari Vlog. Video kali ini Pak Pop akan melukis ini seperti ini. Ini sudah jadi dan nanti kita lihat prosesnya bagaimana. Ya jangan lupa like, share, dan subscribe-nya. Tetap semangat, tetap jaga kondisi kesehatan. Oke, ayo kita simak videonya yuk, sip.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror.
Oke, cukup sekian dulu video dari Pak Pop dari Vlog, yang mana hasil akhirnya seperti ada di belakang saya ini. Ya, jangan lupa like, share, dan subscribe-nya. Tetap semangat, tetap jaga kondisi kesehatan. Oke. Ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sukses selalu Mas Bro Baktu ya sih.
He is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. Stepping up, don't stop.